Good afternoon, Dutchman Creek faculty. Just wanted to talk with you in reference to a few things that I've noticed over the past few weeks. First of all, we continue to do a great job with map testing, with providing instruction, as well as with dealing with situations with our students. Just a few things I want to remind you of. First, in reference to giving zeros. I know that many times students may not complete assignments when assigned. However, we want to make sure that we reinforce our retake and retesting policies with our students and provide opportunities for them to turn in the work based on your PLC rules that you've established. Additionally, we ask that you always provide a rubric so that students are aware of the items that are necessary for upcoming projects and assignments, and also that the rubric is representative of information that is needed on an instructional level. So therefore, we wouldn't have on a rubric things such as neatness or how well something is written, but you would definitely have other components of the rubric that are instructional. Also, we want to, I just want to talk a second about the team minute forms. I'm noticing definitely we're having a lot of parent contact, and we also are doing a great job with like student of the week information, as well as information in reference to any positive or negative contacts that may take place. But I'm noticing that the response to intervention section, as well as the subgroup section of the team minutes form, oftentimes is left blank. And it's pretty challenging if I'm, as the principal, if I'm taking a look at all of the concerns that are taking place in classes, and we definitely will handle those concerns, but if I look at the RTI section or the subgroup information and that's blank, it's a little more challenging to address concerns because I want to make sure that we're definitely using those strategies that we learn about in our GTG sessions, as well as other opportunities when we're together as a faculty. Also, be mindful in the subgroup section. I am noticing some generalizations. For instance, in one set of team minutes, I noticed that in the subgroup section it said African American males are not meeting the standard, particularly, and it named 2 students. And then just in that subgroup information, 2 students definitely are not representative of the entire African American subgroup that is on that team. So we just want to be mindful and provide strategies and opportunities that we're utilizing for our subgroups of students. And the subgroups they extend beyond race and ethnicity, but we also want to make sure that everything is representative of the instructional level that is provided to that subgroup. Once again, these are just a few reminders. We definitely want to make sure that students are...
Dr. Williams, if you're in the building, can you come up to guidance? Dr. Williams, if you're in the building, your APs would like to speak with you in guidance if you have a moment.
We definitely want to make sure that we're providing rubrics for assignments. We want to make sure that our students are aware of retake and retesting opportunities. We want to make sure that we are utilizing our subgroup information and the response to intervention section on our team minutes. And lastly, I wanted to mention that we want to make sure that we're fully utilizing our team planning time on Thursdays with our PLCs, and if we don't have an instructional meeting on Friday, that can be an extension time as well. We want to make sure we're fully utilizing that PLC planning time prior to requesting an opportunity for the PLC to have a full day planning. So those are just a few tips. As always, thank you so much for everything you do. I truly appreciate it, and I hope you have a great weekend.